Alrighty, here we go. You can go on ahead and start her up.
Good. All
Yep.
right.
This thing is smooth. It's like a cloud.
Oh, it is. You could totally drive this on a regular basis.
Yeah.
Now, the Chiron is even smoother.
Wow.
It's like driving a Bentley.
Yeah, I believe it. She probably thinks it's a UFO.
Pretty much is.
Yeah, it pretty much is. I can't compare this to a fighter jet. That's scary fast.
That's nothing. I mean, the car's cold, and that's like quarter throttle.
Uh-oh.
Refuel. So this being a client car, Jay, I'm not going to
no.
go on the main street with all the traffic, but
No, it's good. Wow. We're about to make somebody's day right here.
It's our UPS driver, actually, that was
Wow.
coming over. I reached out to our client that owns this and said, hey, is it okay if we use it to take a gentleman for a ride?
Yeah.
He is very deserving of a ride, so he said,
I
absolutely.
appreciate it.
Of course.
Wow. It's a steady, creeping power that
Completely.
I cannot explain. It just feels like you're gliding on a cloud.
Yeah.
And it just accelerates.
It just goes.
Yeah. But your brain is still processing it to where it doesn't feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Because like a GTR, those cars are so fast they actually feel uncomfortable.
Oh, yeah.
But this thing, it's like you can get on it and it just glides. Don't go, don't go, don't go.
Thing you always have to worry about here.
Yeah. Whoa! Jeez. I'd never feel a pull like that.
Yeah. And it's got a lot more than that, too. That's probably about 3/4 throttle.
Jeez, it's like a sport bike, but more.
Yeah.
I've never felt it before. I cannot compare this to anything.
It's a crazy experience, right?
Yeah. Oh man, that's just crazy. I've never thought I'd ever go for a ride in a Bugatti.
Well,
And today that's been,
Hey.
that's,
not a Lamborghini, but still
Yeah.
pretty cool.